Assalamu alaikum. I have come to my nearest field and it's very beautiful, and now is a cricket game is being played, and this is my final match is going on, and beside me my uncle Rahat Bappi. He's also a YouTuber and he's also a good speaker in English, and today's video he also is with me. So but I want to show my stadium what is going on here, and now the speaker is giving his speech about the match, and one innings has been done, and my first player and the first innings has they scored 86 runs for 6 overs, and the second innings is going to be started very soon, and the target is to be done 87 runs. And I want to know something from beside my uncle. So what do you think about this match?
Uh, Actually, match is very well.
Yes.
Because this match is the final match.
Yes, final match.
I think
Do you think it will be compatible between the two teams?
yes, of course. Uh,
Yes.
Two team is very well.
Oh yes, very nice. Do you think it? Do you know which team maybe win? Do you have idea about?
I don't know properly. I will see.
It depends. The which team make a good batting, they may win. Isn't it?
Yes.
Yes. So, people, the second innings has already started. The first ball is going to be done by the first bowler, by Adnan Hussain. Oh, first ball is to be done, and the by one run has got the second team. And I'm seeing as much as possible. There is someone fielding beside me. He is the long strike fielding, and every fielding is beside the boundary. They are very serious to win this match, and I'm also eager. I don't know who can be win, and I have no idea whose batsman is actually better. And I will try to shoot the all balls inshallah in this video, but I don't know I can talk one longer. But many people have come, not much to viewers have come like me. You are showing the surroundings. Very some people have come to this here. Look at that. Okay, guys, you are seeing the final match between two teams. All players are living this in union, and they are better, and best player bowlers and batting all are better. And the third ball is going to be started very soon. Now is something is happening between the speaker and so are the stock. Third ball is going to be, yes, third ball is short leg, and it may be, oh no, the fielding has fielded very carefully. Just one run has given by the fieldings, and very beautiful play. I hope you are enjoying also from this video, and I am showing the most attractive thing, the final match. The speaker is very well taken attack. Oh, last ball, and the boundary has been done by the now. One first boundary has got the second team, and 4 has been done. So guys, I hope this video you have learned many things, and I am going to enjoy the rest of the match. And inshallah, if you try to speak in English like this, you can learn actually, and you can speak fluently inshallah one day. So see you next video, inshallah. Get wait for me.